let us study about scope resolution operator in C++. Like in C and C++, we have so many operators, right? You are aware of arithmetic, logical, reasoning, logical operators, then conditional operators, and we have what we say, three variables, tertiary operator, ternary operator. We have so many operators in C and C++. One kind of operator is scope resolution operator. Okay, scope resolution operator. Let us try to see what is the use of this scope resolution operator. This is very important operator in C++. When one direct application I will tell you, this is used in inheritance. This is used in inheritance. Lot of this operator is used in inheritance concept, which we are about to study. Once we see inheritance, you will understand how and where is this used, but we will try to explore what is the usage or what is this scope resolution operator. Okay, scope resolution operator is represented like this, 2 colons. Okay, it is represented like this, 4 dots, 2 colons. Okay, so what is the use of this scope resolution operator, right? First use is to access global variable where there is a local variable with same name. See the simple example here. I am having int x as a global variable. This is a global variable, and I am having int x equal to, this is a local variable. This is a local variable. To access the global variable, you can use the scope resolution operator. So in this main, I am writing value of global x. Value of global x means if I write like this, this will point to this global variable. When you write value of x means it will point to the local one, right? It will point to this x. Okay, so to access the global variable, if there exists the same variable name in the local also. What is local? Above main if you write it is global. Above main if you write it is global. And anything which is written in between open and close brackets is local. Maybe in a function also you have a function. There also if you declare some variables int a comma b, these are local variables. It means their life is only between these two open and close brackets. In main also local variables life is only between these two variables, these two open and close brackets. But global variable can be accessed in main, in this function, or anywhere in the program. So if there exists a variable with same name in local and global both, and you want to access the global variable, then you have to use this colon, that is scope resolution operator has to be used. This will point to the global variable, and this normal x will point to the local variable only. Can you guess the output of this? What is the output of the global variable here? Int x is there, it's a global variable. Okay, in the first output here, see out value of global variable, what will be this output? Will it give garbage since it is not declared? No. Global variables by default value is 0. Global variables by default value is 0. So answer will be 0 and 10 because this is local variable, it is pointing out here. Okay, so this is one use of scope resolution operator. What is that? I will repeat once again because this is most important operator in C++. So if you have a local variable and a global variable with same name, and if you want to access the value of global variable, you want to use that global variable in some operations, then you have to use scope resolution operator before the variable name like this. Then the second use, to define a function outside a class. The second use of scope resolution operator. Generally, I will talk about class here. So we write class, maybe person. In that you will write private. You will write there int age. Then you will write some public. You will write void calculate age, some function, and you will write the body here like this, and you will close this class. Okay, in this class person, I am having a variable age that is private, and I am having a function public. I am having a function which is public. Name of the function is calculate age. Like this, we write the body here. No, we can write the body in. We have to write the body in the class itself. Okay, then we will try to from main. What you generally do? You will try to create an object for this person. You will say person p1. Using this p1, you can access this function calculate age. Using this p1, you can write p1 dot calculate age. This function can be called. That way you can do generally we do in this implementation of class and object. But if you want to write the body of this function, if you want to write the body of this function, okay, if you want to write the body of this function outside main or outside class, then you can use scope resolution operator like this. See, I am having a class A, I have a public and I have a function void fun. Its implementation is not there here actually. So, when you want to define this body of this class like this, you can write, see, void class name scope resolution function name. Then you can give the statements, void class name colon function name, and you can give these statements. To define the body of the function outside the class, you can access it using scope resolution operator like this, using array the name of the class. See here, void a fun. This is normal actually, normal class. This body function can be kept here also inside class. But if you want to define it outside, you can give it like this. Simply for class A, I created object A dot fun. Using this is public function, right? Since it's a public function, using the object I can access the particular function using the object of class A. Okay, this is another benefit of scope resolution operator. If you want to define the function outside, we can use this like this. Next, to access class static variable. Okay, we are yet to study static variable, just give an attempt to understand this. Our next topic is about static variables. Okay, so maybe we will come back this and study about how scope resolution operator is used to access the class static variables. Every class has, some class may have static variables. To access those variables, we can again use a scope resolution operator. We will try to see there are so many uses of the scope resolution operator, mostly to access the variable which is having same name in both local and global, and to define a function outside the class, and also to access the static variables of a class. Okay, so these three are the benefits of or the usage of scope resolution operator in C++.